Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the lounge with me, Amanya. I am excited for today's video, though I have been putting it off, and it is the takedown of this hair that I've had in since November. So I went through Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, and today is January 30th. So this hair has solidly been in my head for about 2.5 months almost. 3 months probably. Yeah, so this is what it is. And the body of it is okay, but the problems are all in here. And you guys know I did do a refresher around, I think it was like early January. Actually, no, it was, January, because I ended up cutting it because it was longer and I cut it into this short style. So yeah, but it is time for this thing to go, and I want to get it done, but I'm just like, oh my God, it's just the process of doing it. And I just don't want to do it. I don't feel like it, but it's got to get done. So, I'm going to show y'all how I take down my hair. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stay tuned. So years ago, when I first started crocheting, and for many years after, because I've been keeping my hair natural since about 2010, and but yeah, in the beginning, I used to take down my hair with scissors. I would take the scissors, then I would slice it, and chunks of my hair would come off. It was a fail until I learned how to properly take it down. So I would have like patches of like where it got cut here in the front, patches of hair cut off here, and I'd be like, I don't know how to do this. How do I really take it down? Until I learned how. So when you're taking down your hair, please do not bring the scissors with you. Set yourself up in whatever area you're going to work at. The tools that you need is you need clips to clip it away as you work, and you need a iron tail comb, also with a nice little sharp edge here, so when you start to undo those braids, you won't have a problem. You do not need a scissors at all, only if you want to cut off your hair. And then I normally use a big tooth comb too if I have issues. All I did was remove one of the teeth in here so I have more room to work with. And so this helps as well when you're having issues getting it out. And I have a big tooth comb, so once I get it out, I start to get the edges and start to work my way all the way until I get to the end of it. Okay? And one more thing that you need is conditioner, which this is just a Suave conditioner from the store. And I normally use, also in reference with the conditioner, in combination with it, I usually use aloe gel, but I don't have any aloe gel today because the aloe really does help moisturize it even more, even though I use this. I always use the two as a combo, but no aloe today. So we're just going to use the conditioner. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it in a bowl, pour a good amount, and then I'm going to be dipping my finger in. And so I'm going to see how the back is? It's a mess, I know, but we're going to find our beginning point, which is here, and then we're going to start the work of going row by row and we're gonna remove them row by row. So being that it's gonna be difficult to really show you that on camera, I'll just probably end up showing you when we get closer to like the edge here. Look at how much my hair has grown. Look at that. Like, wow. And so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna just start this thing because it's 10 o'clock right now and I don't even feel like doing this, but I gotta get it in. I have events and functions coming up and I gotta get myself dealt with. So let's do this thing. So it is a very slow process, a gentle process. It is what it is. If you don't want your hair breaking off, if you want your hair to continue to grow, this is the process that you have to take. At least this is the process that I have found. If you know of an easier way to do this, please somebody let me know without having to utilize the scissors. But this is the only way I have found to really take down your hair. And one of the things that the conditioner does is that it softens the hair because the hair's been tied up and it's it needs moisture. So, and same thing as the aloe, it really softens it and moisturizes it, and it enables you to really work with the hair to undo the braids. So I'm going to continue to do this work. God help me get through it tonight. Please, God, help me get through this tonight. And so, all right, so I'm gonna get through this. See how soft my hair is coming out? See how soft it is? That's because of the conditioner. Before, when I took them down, it used to be hard and brittle and it would break and crack because it was so dry. So you see the difference now? You see how fluffy and soft it is? And so whenever you get yourself a good pile of hair, what I'd like for you to do is work it out like this, and then you can just twist it into little sections as you're going. So this is going to make the washing process, a little bit easier. This way you're putting it all in little sections as you're going. Okay? And now for the front. This is where the work really comes into play, because the back it was big braids rolled around. So now to get these individual little lines, this is where the true work comes in this, and trying to get all this out. So this is where the beast of my time is gonna be going to, but hopefully it'll move quickly and I can have this done before bedtime, before I go to bed tonight. So just wanted to show y'all where I was at, and I'm gonna keep this train running. Finally done. It is now 12 o'clock in the morning. So it took me all of 10, all of 11 to get this out. So now I'm simply going to just braid this up, and I'm going to just leave it in with the conditioner, and going to just go to sleep now. And then tomorrow we'll be washing and conditioning, and I just might take y'all on for that ride, but that's going to be a different video. For now, good night, friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.